What is up? Today we are continuing from where we left off right here in the good Hebra mountain area, heading to the flight range to go for Tiba. And right off the bat we have these Bokos that I don't really want to fight, but I might kinda have to. Oh god. Okay, yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna book it. Oh no. Already this ain't looking too good. If I can get in that shrine, I can reset the Bokos and be safe. So if I can just get to this shrine literally right up here. Come on, y'all. You got this. Yeah. We're chilling now. And now we just go under. Alrighty. So, continuing from there, we're gonna do this shrine for the spirit orb, and also so that way we can reset the Bokos. And honestly, this shrine is argumentatively one of the easier shrines within the Rito area. However, most of the Rito shrines are actually kinda easy, but whatever. What's in here? Probably a Rito weapon. Or not. Hey, that would have been useful last video. Speaking of last video, this video probably isn't going to be nearly as long as last video because I have all the money I need. I just need to get some bomb arrows, and that's about the only really grindy thing I have to do for this episode. And this episode, I think I know how to edit it so that way y'all don't have to watch me get the money. You can just watch a time lapse of it, but if not, I'll figure something out. But yeah, today the video shouldn't take even close to as long as it did yesterday. Which is an advantage for everybody. Oh no. I forgot that from this, you go from this angle and then you can get in there. Yeah. Up and at the bunk. Another shrine down. Alrighty. Spirit orb. Why is the loading screen taking so long? Hello? Okay, now it's loading. Oh, that's some weird brightness. That's some very wonky brightness. Let me fix that up. Let me fix the brightness. There we go. Actually, no, I don't like that. That's a little too dark. There we go. Perfect. Alright, we're at the flight range. Not too bad. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that quest line started. I plan to be able to get to Windblight. Maybe even fight him. I don't know though. Maybe not. But we're gonna get quite a bit of things done. That's for sure. Or at least quite a bit of things we need to do to get this Divine Beast. Okay, so we're gonna need lots of bomb arrows. So That's gonna take a bit of time, but he's gonna give us some actually. So, okay. So, yeah, we just have to get through him yapping. Okay, so. Yep. So, the only thing is, since the soldier bows don't really have that good of quick draw, it might be a little harder. But they give us a rather generous amount of time. So. What? There we go. There we go. Like a piece of cake compared to the champion's ballad. Yeah. Well, that was actually a piece of cake, so I'm pretty sure there's even more bomb eaters in here, and we need all of the bombs. Oh, that's a falcon bow. Yeah, we can't use that, unfortunately. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty good, not gonna lie. I don't know if this throwness is just the camera getting low battery, or if this is actually happening. If it is, I'll try to fix it as best as I can. I don't think it is though, so. Hey, the camera is actually staying pretty balanced compared to last time. And it's actually way more high definition without any editing. I'm still going to edit it to be better definition though. So, honestly, this is my favorite questline. It's really... Wait. So, yeah. Let's do this. Oh, God. Fun fact, you can actually use remote bombs to bomb the cannons. I don't know if you knew that or not, but it's actually pretty cool. It makes stuff way easier. Ooh, I missed. Ooh, that barely missed. Yeah, I'm gonna save my arrows. Oh gosh. Oh no, my bow. It's low durability. At least I don't have to get one more cannon. Oh my gosh. I remember this being a lot easier. There we go. What? What? Well, that's not good. Oh my gosh, I can't time it. Ugh. What? Oh, now T-Bo realizes. Oh my god. This. Why, bro? I don't even have anything I can. Bro. I'm gonna go on a money grind. So hopefully that works. I'm gonna try to edit the money grind out as best as I can. But there's no promises. So first things first, I'm gonna go over. Well, let's see, because yeah, I don't really have the gear to be fighting a Talos right now. However, I do have. Oh, I didn't need to screenshot. Oh well. However, I do have the gear to fight some Bocos. So I'm just gonna grind a bunch of Boco parts and we're gonna try to get a bunch of money so that way we can actually afford some more bomb arrows. Now watch, I'm gonna come back and realize that T-Bo gives us more, but I doubt it. This has never happened to me before though, so I don't really know what's gonna happen, whether he'll give them or not, but better to stay on the safer side. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna equip my soldier armor again, save, and then we're gonna continue on. So we're gonna go to the forest right here in front of Fateno and just kill a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I really need some more stamina as soon as I can get it. Throw sprinting isn't that bad actually. Okay, I'm just, when I see a Bokoblin, I'm just gonna bomb them. Right, I already kind of killed most of the Bocos that live in this forest. Pause, it's not even night. Why are Stau enemies even spawning? My God, I'm trying to lock onto that one. I'm one shot. I need the Courser Bee Honey. I'm gonna bomb it so that way I can get it. And it kills the bee so I don't have to parry him or anything and risk dying to a bee. I didn't mean to pick that up. We're not allowed to have that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to this little monster encampment and fight the enemies there. I think there's a couple weapons that these guys have that I can actually use, which is nice. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sneak up on them, and I'm gonna try to do some sneak strikes. Oh. Headshot. Okay. Hey, good dodge, buddy. Alright. Trying to collect the monster parts. Sir! Sir! Thank you for dying. Oh, no. So fighting's off the list of my ways to get money right now. I need more weapons. And I need lots and lots of weapons. Trying to think. So, I need weapons, but I don't have any. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end the video here for now. And, I'm gonna get some information I need, and we're gonna come back. But we made a little bit of progress. So until then, I'll see y'all peoples later. Until then, peace out and bye.